In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to route a document in DocuSign. We'll start by getting to the right place in your account. Open DocuSign and go to the Envelopes area. Think of an envelope as the container that holds your document, your recipients, and the routing rules. Choose Get Signatures to begin a standard send flow. Now add the people who need to sign. Click Add Recipient and type the recipient details in the highlighted fields. Make sure the names and email addresses are accurate. Typos here will delay your routing. If you need the document to move in a specific order, turn on Set Signing Order. This lets you assign numbers so Recipient 1 receives it first, then Recipient 2, and so on. Click View to confirm the order looks right, then Close to return to your setup screen. When your recipients and order are ready, click Next. Add fields. If you still need to bring in your file, click Upload, select Desktop, and choose the document from your computer. After the file finishes loading, continue with Next. Add fields to place the tags your signers will complete. On the tagging screen, select Signature and drop it where the first signer needs to sign. Place a Date Signed tag next to it so the date fills in automatically when they complete their signature. If a time selector appears with the date, choose the appropriate AM or PM option to match your formatting preference. Before placing fields for the next signer, switch the recipient selector at the top of the tagging panel to the correct person. This ensures each field belongs to the right recipient. Add another signature tag for that signer, and include a Date Signed tag for them as well. Take a moment to align fields neatly and keep them away from margins or pre-printed text so nothing overlaps. With your fields placed and routing order set, review everything one more time. Confirm the recipients, the document, and the position of each tag. When you're satisfied, click Send. DocuSign will deliver the envelope following the order you defined. Recipient 1 first, then Recipient 2, and so forth, until all required signatures are collected. A quick tip as you work. Sequential routing is controlled entirely by those order numbers. If you ever need parallel signing, give recipients the same number. For strict one after another routing, use 1, 2, 3, and so on. After sending, you can track status and reminders from the Envelopes tab and resend if anyone misses the email. That's it. Your document is now routed in DocuSign with the right people, the right fields, and the right order.